Hey everyone, just a quick demo of @easy. So I'm gonna go to the website really quickly. The website is theaivets.com. And so before I get started, this is kind of what it looks like if you're just opening up in Safari or any browser. But what I want to do is just actually save this as a web app on my phone. So you just go to bottom right corner, you click share, and then you scroll down a little bit, and on iPhone you'll see something that says add to home screen. When you hit that, then it'll ask you to save it or open it as a web app. So that'll make it much easier, and you can name it whatever you want, and then hit add, and then as you can see, it pops up now on my phone. Kind of looks like an app. Obviously, it's because it is a web app, it's easy to do that. Now I can just go and open it up. And here's the quick demo. So it just starts off with a simple question. I'll basically say something like, let's see, feeling like that. And then it'll come back and say, yeah, well, let's try like a technique. And then I'll say sure. And then we'll start with the box breathing technique. So very, very popular, very famous technique for managing stress. So we'll exit out of that. We won't go through the technique for the sake of the demo, but we'll try the other one as well, the grounding one. So I'll say something like, that was okay, but it didn't really help. Okay. Then it'll recommend, I'm sure it will, okay, try the grounding technique. Sure, let's try that. Then that's where the grounding technique comes up. Again, automatically it pops up. And now the person can start doing this. If you're familiar with the grounding technique, it's essentially you start writing down what you see around you. So I'm going to exit out of that as well. And then finally, the most important part is if there's a serious issue and the person says, you know what, I want to, something like that, if I can spell it. Okay. And then when a message like that, when buddy or the battle buddy sees a message like that, then it automatically pops up this screen to guide them or route them to the crisis hotline, so they can just call them, right? Just directly through there. If I click the text support, it'll go to my messages and generate a text for them. And then if I go down to chat, it'll go to their website where we can chat with them. But that's how it works. And then obviously they can just hit I understand at the bottom. And that's the basic demo of the AI Battle Buddy @easy. First version. Obviously it's not perfect, but we're hoping it can help someone. Thanks.